Hi everybody, Dr. Bryton here for Two Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about braces, orthodontics. I get a lot of questions about braces from parents with young kids, I personally, as a general dentist, I don't do any kind of braces. I don't do any kind of orthodontics. We have some great orthodontists here in Grand Rapids. We've talked about Dr. Mark Waringa before, and he does an awesome job. And orthodontics does wonderful things for your oral health. But recently, I was speaking with my neighbor about his kids and them being in braces, and just like anybody, he kind of looked at me and said, "Is it really worth it?" And I will tell you, absolutely, absolutely. As a parent, you probably don't recognize all that you're doing for your child when you're investing in braces, but I can tell you it is totally worth it. But your kids might be the ones that really see the benefit of it. With braces, one of the challenges that you have to discuss in general is keeping them clean while they're on. And that's always hard because even if your child doesn't have braces, trying to get them to take care of their oral health, clean their teeth, brushing, flossing is very challenging. You put brackets and braces on there and all of a sudden you've got even more obstacles that they've got to keep clean, and it can become quite a challenge. However, when you get those taken off, you will find that there is just a wonderful, healthy environment there, which I'm going to talk more about in a moment. But I want to kind of go back to the conversation I had with my neighbor. He talked about his kids, and I told him, reassured him, yes, it's very much worth it. But then he also asked for himself. And I have back here pictures of some braces and brackets, and then I also have Invisalign. Again, some alternatives there that, in my opinion, are great for adults as well. And the reason being that I want to talk about is essentially alignment of your teeth with regards to the big benefit I see with braces, and this is what I want to get back to. When your teeth have some misalignments to them, when they have some crookedness to them per se, it creates environments that are much more difficult to keep clean. Bacteria, plaque can start to get into little crevices, little coves that you can't get to very easily with your toothbrush or your floss. And so as a result, it creates an increased risk environment for cavities and gum disease. And so if you have the opportunity to make a change, get some braces, first and foremost, a lot of times with your kids, you're setting them up for a lifetime of much easier environment to keep their health going, particularly their oral health going. Again, talking about your oral health and how it affects your systemic health, if you have the opportunity to have straighter teeth that you can then keep your mouth healthier, it then just promotes your systemic health, so it's wonderful. But the same thing goes for adults. Even later in life, if you're interested in doing it, I would absolutely encourage you to see a consult with an orthodontist and see if it's something you could do, because it just makes it easier for you to improve and continue to maintain a good oral health environment. So that's my little bit about the benefits of braces, how it makes it easier to keep your teeth clean and healthy and prevent cavities, prevent gum disease. Is an absolutely wonderful aspect of it. So I wanted to mention that in our Two Tip Tuesday this week. And finally, I will end with one picture. This is just to make note of Top Gun, the second film coming out. This is Tom Cruise. Many of you probably are aware he's had quite a bit of work done on his teeth. But when he started, he had some challenges with the alignment of his front teeth, and since then, he became a movie star. So, I mean, you could too. Alrighty, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, please comment below, message us, email us, give us a phone call. If you think it'll help somebody, feel free, give us a share, and hopefully you can reach out to other people. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great rest of your week.